Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming system readiness. Windows 10 or 11 and updated GPU drivers. This ensures smooth playback. Once done, pick the Wallpaper app, Wallpaper Engine, or Lively and install it. These manage animated backgrounds safely. Then collect your media into one folder and prefer MP4 or WebM for efficiency because they use hardware decoding. Make sure samples play in your media player. If they stutter now, fix drivers before proceeding to import into the Wallpaper app. Now import the files into the app and organize them. Add the folder, then create a profile or playlist for multi-monitor setups. Once added, pick the correct resolution and aspect ratio to avoid stretching. Set wallpaper to native display size for sharpness. Next, tweak performance, limit frame rate to 3060, enable hardware decode, and set pause on battery if you're on a laptop. These choices balance visual quality and system load, so test a few presets and keep what runs smoothly. Finish by applying the wallpaper to one or all monitors and confirm positioning. Lock it when satisfied. Once applied, enable auto run so the background loads at startup and verify it pauses during full-screen apps and games. If you see stutter or black screens, first lower frame rate and disable fancy effects. Then switch container or codec, try WebM versus MP4, and set hardware decode on or off to find the best match. If problems persist, restart the app and update drivers. That usually resolves remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.